I think by this time you probably would want to try this new machine, and I would love you to try this machine because there are so many advantages that only you should be able to try, and then let me know how it goes. Hi, I'm Warabi Rashadimanon. I'm a dermatologic surgeon from Thailand. We're here on the workshop of DoubleTite. So this is a great machine where you combine both radio frequency and microneedling all together into one, which will give you the best skin quality for our patients. So we have lots of participants today, over 20. We have four co-trainers and speakers, including me and Dr. R and Dr. Yodoyongri and Assistant Professor Tanya. So it's a great day that all of us get to try these new machines, because we usually have either one of them, either microneedling or radio frequency, but we've never ever had the one that combined the two together. So this is the one and only one that is really amazing, really. And knowing that Dr. R, a board certified dermatologist, actually helps to invent this is even more impressive, because he knows the skin really well, and he knows the patients and their needs. So this is fabulous how he can actually know how to tackle all these problems that the patients need. I think one of the three advantages of this machine is that, one, first of all, because it's not lasers, and especially for our Asian skins, we have a lot of melanin, so we get a lot of pH after lasers. But with this, it's not lasers, it's radio frequency, so therefore there's less chance of pH, which is great for us because we are doing all of these procedures to make us look great, right? And we want instant results. We don't have to go through pH and then good skin. Secondly, it also helps to improve skin texture as well. So not only that, it brightens up the skin, but it also helps to smoothen the skin. So it will give us this lovely, smoothen and glowing skin, which we all deserve. And then lastly, it's amazing that how this machine can also help to reduce the inflammation. So with those with irritated skin or inflammations on the skin, it can also help to reduce those redness as well and strengthen our skin to be even stronger. So that's what we want, isn't it? We don't only want it to look great alone, but also help to strengthen it in the long term. I think by this time you probably would want to try this new machine, and I would love you to try this machine because there are so many advantages that only you should be able to try, and then let me know how it goes.